Action!
Okay, good afternoon to everyone. We're here today at Ayutthaya Kingdom, the old capital of Thailand. And I'm here together with my friends, my batchmate from college. We're called Clement. So we went here because today is Sunday and tomorrow it will be holiday. So we went here via train, and then from train station we took a bicycle. We bike our way all the way here, and that's why we're here in this historical place. So I have here Gerald and
Hi everyone.
his fiance Mai, and I have here Oren, which is a music teacher here in Thailand. And the ones holding that video is Franz, one of the best English teacher in one of the public schools here in Thailand. So, ano masasabi mo sa sa travel natin na to?
Grabe yung experience pare. Parang hindi mo ma-explain na ang napakatuwa, napaka-memorable na experience na
Kumbaga, parang kakaiba siya.
kakaiba yung
Ah,
yung paano ginawa nitong yung kingdom na to, yung Ayutthaya, yung mga temple,
bakit yun naman na-miss? Kumbaga,
kasi yung kadalasan sa mga Buddha sa kanila, putol ng ulo dahil do sa noon na mga history na pumunta dito yung mga yung mga ano ba yun?
mga Burmese.
Mga Burmese.
Inatake nila.
So magwa-wonder ka talaga paano nila ginawa to, at saka ano ba yung mga iba pang mga dito, mga surprises.
Hindi lang yun, ang malupit pa, di ba? Isipin mo, matagal na to. Tapos, kumbaga hanggang ngayon, nakatayo pa rin. Tapos, makakita mo dahil sa mga buildings nila kung ano yung pamumuhay nila, pwede mong balikan yung mga nakaraan kung paano sila nagsimula. Makita mo yung kanilang syudad dati. Oh. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo, Oren?
Yung masabi ko
Galing ka
ngayon,
sa Chonburi, di ba? Tapos bumiyahe ka ba dito para dalawin to?
para makapunta lang, makasama sa Ayutthaya.
Oo.
Di ba? Yung bago dito is yung pagbabike. Biking, di ba? Mas cheaper at saka at the same time you enjoy.
Ano lang, magkano yung bike?
40 baht.
40 baht, sa
Wow.
araw na.
Woo!
Kung araw.
Kung araw na yun.
So
And it's so amazing. It's my first time to try, first time to try biking on a highway, not from my country. And
it's abroad.
yeah. And it's great to be with these people because I've been seeing their pictures. They posted lots of pictures in their Facebook, and it's great to be with them, having a great time with them, and it's a pleasure. It's memorable. I came from Chayapul maybe 6 hours away from here, and it's worth it. Fantastic. All I can say, it's ecstatic.
Yun.
Yun.
Malupit. Ang malupit pa doon, like you're with your boyfriend. Or are you fiancé already? Or still... Did you propose already to her? Or not yet? Maybe in the future. So in the future.
We're talking about
Oo, tapos mas okay yun kasi, di ba? Kasama mo yung boyfriend mo dito, di ba?
Sakto.
Ano namang masasabi mo na nagka-travel ka tapos anong feeling yun kasama mo si Mai, Jig? Okay lang ba yun na gano'n?
Grabe yung feeling kasi aside na nagta-travel ka all by yourself, ang plus pa doon, nagta-travel ka, kasama pa yung mahal mo sa buhay, yung
so,
partner mo.
Gaano ka-importante sa'yo yun? Ano pinagkaiba ko? Halimbawa, tayo lang, Clement, gano'n.
Clement, nako, napaka-importante yung Clement.
Ano pinagkaiba no? Nakakasama mo si Mai tapos
Yung
Clement lang.
pagkakaiba, iba yung kasama mo yung Clement, plus, andito pa yung mahal mo sa buhay, grabe iba.
Tulungan na lang kita. Iba talaga kasi may Clement na, may pa, may
Sakto.
seafoods pa.
Foods, may Thai food pa, yun yung
Yun ang nakaiba, di ba?
Napakasarap.
And I would like
Package!
to...
Package deal na.
Package deal.
Tsaka si Oren nga
Sorry,
pala,
Clement.
si Oren, nabanggit mo, di ba, nag-uusap tayo kanina sa train, nabanggit mo na sa school, ikaw na yung doon. Sa school yung sa Pilipinas, ikaw na yung manager. Kumbaga ikaw na yung manager.
Perfect!
Manager doon.
Sakto, sakto.
Hindi na siya counselor kasi yung boy, punta ng kapigat ng agenda, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos siya yung nagmamanage. Pero parang, ikwento mo, ba't pumunta ka ng Thailand? Eh, kumikita na kayo ng malupit doon, tapos pumunta ka pa rin ng Thailand. Dahil ba sa pera yun na gusto mong kumita pa o anong rason mo? Ba't
Siyempre, di ba, katulad ng sinabi mo kanina na nag-a-abroad tayo in order for us to earn money, di ba?
Oo.
Which in fact,
Practical yun.
ando naman sa Pilipinas, we can earn money, di ba? Why not widen our horizon to see other places also, to enjoy life, di ba? Live life to the fullest, why not?
So dahil dyan, anong masabi mo sa mga kaibigan natin na nasa Pilipinas na paano mo sila encourage na mag-travel? Can you like talk to them and encourage them how wonderful travel is, so maybe you can also invite them to encourage them na mag-travel din. Mag-invest sa travel. Ganun.
Okay.
Eh, sabihin mo kung gaano ka
Hello
sarap.
friends in Philippines. Filipinas now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Filipinas friends. If you want to feel if you want to experience what we have experienced right now, and if you don't want to do like us going abroad working, so just spare your money, diba? Spare your money and try to explore another country, try to going local, know them, know other people, and then you can see also yourself that you are much lucky enough than them. Okay.
Very good.
Sa atin
Yes.
kasi parang ano no, like yung kultura natin sa Pilipinas, parang hindi tayo masyadong inclined sa travel. Ano sa tingin yung bakit kaya mga Pilipino ano mga rason at hindi tayo masyadong nagta-travel like compare mo sa other countries? Ako masabi ko una-una pera, di ba?
Pera,
Yeah.
pera.
Kasi ganito yun siya pare. Pag sinabi nating nagta-travel, wow, mayaman, diba?
Oo.
Because they don't know the cheaper way how to travel. diba?
Yun yung
So try to
Cheaper way to travel, pwede
Yeah.
pala yun.
yeah, of course, like
Kaya nga,
try to
Oh.
make the bloggers on the internet. Like
Try
you,
to
diba?
search Region Reyno's
Try to
vlog.
search the blog of Mr. Reyno.
Yan, mga
Grabe,
kababayan.
grabe.
I was
Yeah.
inspired by a post that was shared by him a month ago. It's like traveling. Like you have to travel when you're still young. Yeah, you could travel when you're old, but you cannot see the real beauty of the nature because you'll be wearing your eyeglasses. But when you're still young, you can go explore and have fun and just like what we're doing now.
Yeah.
We're
When
touring
you're
around the
old,
city with a bike.
yeah,
That's
when you're old
perfect.
enough, you can.
Sakto. It is really a different story when you're here, when you explore around the world. It's really different
Yeah.
compared to,
Yeah, but the most important is if you want to travel, then spare money for it. Diba?
that's good.
Kumbaga, mas invest ka talaga.
You invest for it.
Kasi may kilala ako, sabi niya, mahal yung travel.
Yeah.
Ayaw ko kasi mahal, di ko kaya. Pero naka-iPhone 5 siya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cut down
Kumbaga-
those unnecessary things.
Yung pinabili ng
Nurse ba siya?
iPhone 5,
Nurse?
Yeah.
Yung pinabili ng iPhone 5, kumbaga pwede ng ilang months ng Southeast Asia.
Sakto.
Diba?
Worth it naman yung
So yan,
price.
nabanggit na ni Oren kanina na there's a cheaper way to travel. So
Yeah.
i-discuss namin yan sa
Later.
aming pagbabalik pagkatapos ng ilang patalastas.
Yes.
Bye! See you later.